Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can verify Bitcoin on your PayPal account. Let's explore the benefits of using Bitcoin with PayPal. First things first, if you don't have a PayPal account, you'll need to create one. Simply visit the PayPal website or app and follow the prompts to sign up. Once you have your account, it's time to enable crypto trading. Navigate to the crypto section within your PayPal dashboard. Verification is crucial. You'll need to confirm your identity, which typically involves scanning your ID and taking a selfie. Next, connect your bank account or card for withdrawals. This step is essential if you plan to transfer your funds later. Once verified, you can easily purchase Bitcoin through the app or website. Select the amount you wish to buy and confirm the transaction. Keep track of your holdings through your PayPal dashboard. Here, you can monitor the performance of your investments. When you're ready to sell or transfer your Bitcoin, you can do so directly from the PayPal app. Just navigate to your holdings and follow the prompts. If you encounter any verification issues, make sure all your documents are clear and check your internet connection. Now that you know how to verify Bitcoin on PayPal, take the leap and explore Bitcoin investments. Happy investing!